Hello, everybody. In the framework of the Interreg Northwest Europe Blockstart program, I'm glad to present you the free training that my company offers to SME interested in blockchain technology. In a very few words, Kapalt is a dedicated consulting and services company, which exists for about 3 years now, and is working with companies of different size to first do training, understand what is at stake with this technology, assess the opportunity, identify them, of course, before, assess them, and the last step is what we present with you now, is the fact that when you have assessed the right opportunity, that there is a managerial decision to launch an initiative, we can work with you to launch a design thinking workshop, which is the first step of the launch of a proof of concept or an MVP, minimum viable product, which are the core product that a blockchain initiative, like in new technology, is able to launch. So this is something which is based on the Scrum method, of course. It's design thinking, and it takes place when we have with you, be sure that the opportunity makes sense in your own ecosystem, with your governance, and with the right technology, we can be, let's say, selected before and confirmed by the development of a proof of concept. So it's exactly the first step of a Scrum methodology. So we are doing design thinking with the line of business mainly, plus the developer of the solution, technical people, plus your IT, because we need information coming from your own information system. And we are dealing to build the plan to prepare all the next steps, which are, for instance, a 12 weeks development of a proof of concept or 12 weeks of the development of an MVP for you, dedicated to your business issue, and where you are working with a small group of people involved in this business issue. So we work not only with your company, but we can interact with your supplier, your customers, your distributors, or even with competitors to work together to identify in a very few days how to launch the proof of concept afterwards. So I'm very happy to be able to work with you on this kind of module, and I'm waiting to meet you and discuss about this new technology to launch a real life blockchain initiative in your own context. Thank you.